How to log into BMO Harris Bank account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in to BMO Harris Bank online. So let's get started. First, search for BMO Harris on your web browser. Any web browser should be fine, just search for it. After you do that, you'll find the websites. So right here you'll find two websites. One is BMO Harris, the other is BMO. So head over to either one, and here you can see it's basically the same. What you'll need to do after you're here is tap on this sign in option on the top right, then tap on sign in now. Then it will redirect you to the very same page. There you can see the both pages are basically the same. So let's cross on out, and right here all you have to do is enter out your user ID, then finally your password, then tap on the sign in button to sign in into your account. And it's basically that simple. And that's all for today's video. That's how you log in into your BMO Harris Bank account online. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye.